In this lab experiment, I'll demonstrate denial of service attack. In denial of service attack, the attacker aims to make any resource unavailable on a server or in a network. This Ubuntu server is configured as a web server. A local host is running in this. A client can access the local host using a web browser. During attack, in some point of time, also the client is no more able to access the web server. This Kali VM is being used as an attacker hping3, which is a packet generator, is installed on this. Let's start with the attack. First, I'll perform smurf attack. In smurf attack, attacker floods the victim machine with ICMP broadcast messages. -1 is for ICMP. Flood means it will send packets as fast as possible. This -A used to spoof the IP address. This is the victim's IP address instead of attacker's IP address. Let's start with the attack. We can detect the attack using Wireshark. Wireshark is a free and open source packet analyzer used for troubleshooting. We can see the ICMP packets is being transmitted. So if there are several dozens of users present in the broadcast domain, then it becomes a distributed denial of service attack. We can see there is very high number of packets are coming into the victim's system. Next is SYN flood attack. In SYN flood attack, attacker exploits the TCP three-way handshake protocol. We can see the TCP packets. Almost 2000 packets per second being transmitted. This flow graph shows the half-open connections, which basically consume the CPU memory. Next is UDP plot attack. We have mentioned the protocol as UDP. We can give any port number. Which port number will give, that port will be busy. The source is random. So UDP packets are coming from the random sources. But when the Ubuntu server is trying to reach them, so it becomes destination unreachable. So these ICMP messages, they show destination unreachable message. The victim will not get to know from where the packets are coming, and the port will get exhausted. Next is ping flood attack. This attack aims to flood large amounts of data packet to the victim's computer and try to overload it. So we can see within few seconds of the attack, the system is already flooded with echo request and reply messages. Source IP address has been spoofed. The IO graph shows number of packets per second. The final attack in this experiment is ping of death. So maximum permittable size uh, to be sent is 65535 byte. So if the attacker sends packet larger than this, so the receiving computer would ultimately crash. All of the above attacks keep on sending high volume of packets to the victim's machine. These packets consume a large amount of disk space, CPU memory on the machine. uh, we'll wait for some time and we'll find the web server will crash down due to lack of disk space.